welcome back to my channel. I know it has been so long since I've uploaded a video, nonetheless done a haul video for you guys. So I actually went out and purchased a few makeup products. So I'm going to be showing you guys what I got. Also, I just want to say I created this look and I actually took over the Ofra Cosmetics YouTube channel. So I'm going to be linking that video down below because if you guys want to see how I created this look, it's absolutely so beautiful. You guys can you guys can go and check that video down below. Alright, so let's just get right into the video. The first thing that I did buy is this bad boy. This is The Ordinary. This is their peeling solution. This is like literally $7. You guys, if you guys follow me on Instagram, you guys know that I'm on a little bit of a skincare journey to kind of get my skin back to, or not even back to normal, just get it to normal. And this product has actually gone viral. I have not used this yet because I'm a little scared, but it literally looks like blood. So from what I saw, you're supposed to put this all over your face, leave it on for no more than 10 minutes, use it once a week, and it's supposed to kind of, you know, peel your skin and kind of get all of those like dark spots and acne marks, post-acne marks off of your face. So I will be using this. Hopefully this doesn't screw up my skin even more than it's already screwed up. So we'll see. Y'all know I had to stock up on the Kylie Cosmetics loose powder. I will say though, the powder or the shade that I got is the shade Translucent. The one that I normally use though is in the shade Beige. I don't know why Ulta doesn't sell beige. Like, they sell the powder, but they don't sell this specific shade Beige. So hopefully it isn't too much of like a big difference because, you know, being a tan color girl, we have to be a little bit more mindful of the color of translucent powder that we are putting on our face because you don't want any type of flashback. But if you guys have never seen this powder, this is what this looks like, and it does have a little bit of a thing here so it doesn't kind of like go everywhere. So this is what translucent looks like. Guys, how cute are these little palettes from e.l.f. Cosmetics? Oh my god, when I saw these and I saw the reviews as well, everyone was raving about these palettes. Again, I have not used them. I haven't even taken them out of the little plastic thing that they have them in, but they come in like 4 different, I guess, color stories. The ones that I bought is Carnival Candy, and then we have Cream and Sugar. I feel like these are the ones that I'm going to use the most, so these are the ones that I bought. They're literally like $3 a piece, so honestly, if you want to buy all, girl, buy all. I'm gonna quickly swatch some of these. Oh my god, I just digged my nail in this. I'm such an idiot, but I'm gonna swatch this, so let's guys, oh my god, they feel amazing. Stop. Guys, the pigment is definitely there. So this is Carnival Candy. And I guess I can swatch the other one on my other hand. So this is Cream and Sugar. Again, my hands are clean. That is insane. Wow. Okay, let me swatch the rest here. This is beautiful. They're literally only $3, guys. Stop what you're doing. Go on e.l.f. Cosmetics and buy these palettes. Oh my god, I literally want to go out and buy all of them now. Ugh. Moving on, I did pick up my favorite lash glue. This is the Duo Brush On Dark Adhesive. I hate the squeezy tube ones, the white ones. They just don't do me justice. This is the best lash glue I have ever tried. I also restocked on this bad boy. This is the LA Girl Pro Matte Foundation. This is in the shade Caramel. If you are a tan color girl, you are interested in finding the right foundation shade in this, get Caramel. I promise you it's gonna match you perfectly. So I actually did not purchase these, but I quickly want to show you them because I actually did get them in PR just to be transparent. But these are the new Ofra Cosmetics signature palettes. Oh, they are so beautiful. So this is in, I guess, the color story Getaway. Like, so stunning. And then guys, when you see this one, you are going to lose your mind. Like, oh, they're so stunning. And these are the palettes that I used to create this look. Like, oh my god, Ofra Cosmetics, you guys always hit the nail right on the head. Ofra Cosmetics also came out with 2 new lip glosses, and I love these because, again, they work so beautiful for tan color girls. And what I think I'm gonna do is I'm gonna be doing an updated nude lipstick video for specifically tan color girls, because I actually did one a few years ago and I think it definitely needs to be updated. But I really quickly want to swatch these for you guys. So the first one, I love the fact that they created one of their they took one of their highlight shade and created it into a lip gloss. So this is in the shade Bali. So if you guys have the shade, the Bali highlighter, oh, they went above and beyond and they actually created a lip gloss in that shade. It's so beautiful. And then moving on, this is another lip gloss in the shade Bear. When I say if you are looking for the perfect chocolate brown lip gloss for tan color girls, this is it for you. Like, the amount of product that's on the doe foot applicator is absolutely beautiful. The color is beautiful. Also, you guys know that I do have a 20% off from Ofra Cosmetics, so if there is something that you want to buy, I always recommend Ofra Cosmetics. You can definitely go out and purchase it and you can use my 20% off. If you don't want to use the 20% off, that's fine. Just please go out and buy Ofra Cosmetics because they're such a bomb ass brand. Got 3 more things to talk about and I am done, I promise. So I picked up this from Juvia's Place. I've never tried any of their like foundations or anything like that. So this is their Shade Stick. This is their multi-purpose foundation 6. I actually did not buy a foundation color. I actually bought this specifically to contour. This is in the shade Tunisia. I think I'm pronouncing that right, but I'm just gonna roll this all the way up. This is how much product you get. Beautiful, beautiful, beautiful. Moving on, I also picked up the Dermablend Professional Loose Powder. This is in the shade, what shade is this in? Cool Beige. And then the last thing that I bought are lip liners. These are from LA Girl Cosmetics in the shade Chocolate, the perfect brown lip liner for us. So this is basically it. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Everything will be linked down below. Thank you guys so much for watching, and I will see you guys in my next one. Bye!
Don't ever act like you don't get curious. Why so serious?